G'day guys, Overtaking Lane here. We're out at the Show and Shine at Mount Gravatt Showgrounds for the Rotary Club.
And it's raining. Who does a car show under an umbrella?
Should be interesting.
Look, we've got to bring you some footage because we haven't got to do anything else this weekend, so we want to make sure we do bring you a bit of footage, and there's still cars rolling in even though it is raining, so hopefully it's only a bit of a shower and heads off, but we'll see what we can do.
Alright, let's get to it.
G'day Tommy, we spotted your Ford here, absolutely beautiful car. How long's it been on the road?
I've been on the road since 2008.
Yep, right, okay. You want to tell us a little bit about it? What are you running under the bonnet?
It's running a slightly modified 351 Cleveland.
Yep.
Mild cam, C10 transmission, V8 Holden rear end, boxed 29 chassis.
Okay.
Okay, and all glass.
And running a Holden rear end?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Because
Don't break it.
Well, yeah, I was thinking a lot of us Holden boys like to run a Ford rear end.
Well, I got a Ford rear end in my Z28. I break the rear end.
There you go. So,
But yeah, being light.
and it was a 29 model?
Yes, 1929. Yeah.
Mate, it's the paint and everything. Look, it's really good. Is that how old's the paintwork?
Same as the car. Yeah, all 2008.
Yeah, right. Because it's immaculate condition, and probably a pity to be out here in the rain today.
Oh no, it doesn't bother me.
Doesn't bother you? It
Yeah,
still
go
gets
in
out
the
there.
Rain. Yep, get in the rain. Yeah.
No worries at all.
It's a car.
Fair enough. That's the way to look at it. And does it cruise along the highway?
Yeah, cruises nicely. Yeah. Sometimes when the road's a bit rough, it's because it's so light, it tends to be a bit bumpy. But yeah, just adjust the rears.
And as for inside, like old car, you're a bit smaller than me, I guess, so probably fit in there a bit better.
No, well, the guy that built it was 6 foot tall and good 100 kilos. So he was in adjustable seats, front and back, up and down.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, because yeah, a lot of the time you see that you're stuck in one position and you've got to
The
deal with
seats
it.
are up and fully adjustable seats. Yeah.
Look, yeah, just thanks for having a chat with us, Tommy. It's a really nice car, and yeah, make sure you check it out on Overtaking, mate.
I certainly will.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Thanks very much.
show, Family Fun Day. Something a little bit different. It was a bit of rain, as you saw earlier, under the umbrella, but now the sun's out and some of the cars have left, but it's still, it was a good show. There was plenty there.
Yeah, plenty there today. I saw and took a video of my first Ferrari Testarossa.
Yeah.
I really like that car.
That was your favourite of the day?
Yeah, I think so. What about you, Dave? What was your favourite?
Oh, maybe the HG Monaro. Just a story, I think, behind that one. It was, he bought that originally back in the day as an apprentice, around $3,000, and you know, probably worth somewhere around, well, nearly close to $500,000 today. It was a Bathurst edition. It was a really nice car. So yeah, it was just quality. So good to see that he held on to it. So many people out there that have had a car like that and regret getting rid of them, but he actually held on to his. So awesome.
So if you like this one, make sure you subscribe, hit the like, hit the down like if you didn't like it, hit it twice even. Leave us a comment, tell us how we're doing, and keep watching. We'll see you in the next one.
See you then.